In this video, we're going to talk about long-form shortcuts. What are they? What do they do? Well, let's talk about it. Shortcuts help you relate and transition between ideas. They also help you link one paragraph to another smoothly. Let me show you an example, but before I do, I want to share with you how you get to the shortcuts. If you go over to the left-hand sidebar and you click on Longform, over on the right-hand side, you can find your shortcuts. I'll show you how to do this manually and with the shortcuts that are provided. So what you'll notice is that I have a headline that says, "What is SEO?" If I were to copy this and hit expand, AI would give me something like this output here, which is general information on SEO. But if I wanted to guide AI into a certain direction about SEO, I could say something like website speed is a crucial part of SEO, and then use a transition word to give it an open-ended sentence like because, and highlight all of this. I can now use Longform and click write for me. And now AI has come up with some awesome output based on my open-ended sentence that I gave it. And this is a great way to get really human-like writing out of AI. You can also do this using the shortcuts up above. So I'll pick from a category and I'll choose contrast, and then we'll go ahead and click on the other hand, and it'll start writing for me from there. And now you'll notice that it says on the other hand and starts a whole new paragraph for me. You can also create your own shortcuts, and I'll show you how to do that here. All you have to do is click on new shortcut, add the category. So I'm going to add this into summary. You can create your own categories as well, but with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and label this lastly. The shortcut will be lastly. We'll save that. Now that we have it saved, we can go ahead and start writing with that word. And just like that, you can see that AI has now come up with another awesome paragraph using a transition word. We call these shortcuts inside of Closer's copy. I would also like to mention that if at any time you would want to delete a shortcut that you've made, you can just go ahead and click on the pencil icon, hit delete, and then confirm your deletion. All right, with that being said, make sure that you try out all of the shortcut categories like addition, condition, contrast, result, sequence, stats, and summary in your next writing project.